Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sadiq Habib, as you all know, and I'm here to take you around my new apartment in Malta. As It goes like this. This is the kitchen. That is the burner, the smoke extractor, the cabinet, the lower cabinet. This is the washer there. This is the microwave. This is the fridge or refrigerator. That's it. This is the lower compartments of the refrigerator. Oh. So this area is more like the common area because these are two-bedroom flats with four occupants, and this is the TV and it stands. Yeah, and the little dining. This is the little dining. Yeah, take you to the balcony. This is the way to the balcony. This is the balcony, guys. And this is the street. Yeah. This is the street, guys. Okay, I'm taking you to the room. This is the bedroom, guys. That is my corner. So I normally call it back then in secondary school. This is my corner. Few of my things. This is corner of my roommates, and this is my drawer. My clothes. Yeah, see a lot of jerseys. I do jerseys. I do much of jerseys. I love jerseys, guys. I love jerseys. And my shoes. Yeah, take you back to the common area or common room. Then that bedroom is the second bedroom. So this is the first. The two occupants are occupying here. So this is the toilet. That is the toilet seat. Washing hand. And guys, in here we have the washing machine as well. Very taking you back to the common area. This is the television. Yeah. Let me take you down to the entrance door. This is the entrance door. We have our elevator down here. Yes, guys, this is the elevator. And this is the entrance, guys.